Hey everyone, Joe here, welcome to the channel. If you follow my channel, you know I purchased this Gravely Zeroturn new last year. Well, today it's time for some maintenance. I want to be changing the Transaxle oil and filter. Gravely recommends changing initially at 75 hours and then every 400 after that. So I bought this service kit off of Amazon. Comes with 5 quarts of oil and then the Hydro-gear brand filter. Now, something that I discovered when I was looking up the oil and filters is that Gravely recommends a 15W50 viscosity oil, while most other brands recommend 2050. So I reached out to Hydro-gear, and although they use a 20W50 as a factory fill, they said 15W50 is fine as well, and then they are aware that Gravely uses this viscosity. I also reached out to Gravely, and their response was that both oils have been tested and approved, and they found that the oil they recommend offers better heat dispersion. Either way, this is the oil Gravely recommends in their manual, and I figure I don't want any issues if I have to make any warranty claims. I'll leave a link in the description for this kit. This is my first time changing the Transaxle oil, so we're going to figure this out together. Alright, taking a closer look at this to gain easier access to the vent plug, we're going to have to pull the rear tires off. Okay, first thing we want to do is remove the vent plug. That is right here. A little tight, a little difficult getting to it, but it's not too bad. Before you remove it though, use some compressed air and kind of clean the area, make sure there's no grass clippings or dirt that might fall in. And try not to drop it. And some oil will start coming out of it right away, so make sure you have a pan below it. And then just repeat on the other side. Next we want to remove the cover for the oil filter. Looks like it's just 2 bolts, one here and one back here. Alright, now it looks like we got pretty good access to the oil filter. Now let's just go ahead and remove it. Now there will be a ton of oil coming out, so make sure you have your pan ready. Alright, take your new filter, put a little oil on the gasket. And you want to tighten this 3/4 to 1 full turn after the gasket makes contact. Okay, we got the used oil drain, new filters, time to refill it. Now it's very difficult to refill the unit through the vent/fill plug. So what you want to do is just fill it through the expansion tank. But keep the plug out while you're filling it. This will allow the air to dissipate as you're filling. According to the manual, each unit holds 64 ounces, so 2 quarts. Well, 2 full quarts was a little too much. Got an overflow. Let's go ahead and get this plug back in. Alright, next we want to fill the expansion tanks up to the cold fill mark. which is right there. And it's going to bubble and expel some air. Let it do its thing and just double check, keep filling it. So next we have to purge the hydraulic system, and it gives you the process here in the manual. So basically they want the wheels up in the air, bypass the transaxle, both sides of course. Then they want you to start the engine and slowly move the steering levers forward and backwards 5 or 6 times. Okay, just double check for leaks. And let's put everything back together. Alright, once you got everything buttoned up and it's sitting level, just come back and just double check your levels again. This side was just a few ounces low, so we'll just top it off. The other side was fine. But anyway, that's about it. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. But anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll catch you on the next one.